Hey everyone, I'm Brian, co-founder of Manatee. Manatee is a no-code platform that lets sales reps create customized product demos without burning costly developer time. Custom demos will dramatically increase your chance to close a sale, but they're time-consuming and resource-intensive for engineers to make. With Manatee, reps can make their own sales demos without bothering a single engineer. As a lead developer at a drone company, I had this frustration myself. I wanted to ship features all day, but instead, my sales team kept asking for demo apps they could use to close big deals. Now, together with my co-founder, who did DevOps and ML at Capital One, we're making the solution that I wish I had. We launched 3 weeks ago. We already have our first customers in production, and we have another $1,400 of MRR and LOIs. Our customers are bringing Manatee-powered sales demos to their sales meetings and have cut the time spent making them from 2 weeks down to 2 minutes. There's more than 50,000 B2B SaaS companies making product demos today. At 100,000 per company, that's a $5 billion market. We are Manatee. Thank you.